Guys, it's me, Paisarako, and today I'm going to be drinking Dr. Pepper. I just made a video about Dr. Pepper versus Dr. Pepper Zero, and yeah, equally the original one with more cherry flavor. But I'm going to keep going until I actually burp. I tried to burp right there, but I'm going to go ahead and chug the Zero, because Zero is not that great, and I want to get my burp level up. I can feel one actually, hopefully it comes out. Wait, I feel it. Oh my gosh! I literally caught with this burping addiction, bro. I just keep going until I burp at least 5 times. Couldn't do it. This is literally so violent. This is making me burp way too. And this is a burp machine, bro. If you want to burp, get this. It's too fizzy, that's what caused me to burp so loud. I'm like Badland drugs. You're that guy that like drinks a lot of drinks, yeah, I'm like that guy. Just burping so loud. Wait for a burp to come. Oh damn, I actually did. Oh. Feel one. What? That was an NPC burp. Okay, wait. I know. After that goofy moment. I gotta stop burping. I gotta stop. I don't want to burp again, come on. I can drink the whole thing without burping, come on. Oh god, I feel a burp coming. If I keep it coming, it's gonna be such a loud burp. I'm gonna keep going. I don't care, I'm changing in my different clothes anyways. It's just my trousers, as you can see, wait. Yeah, they're my trousers. I'm gonna change them. The can, the bottle. I'm gonna go for the original. I heard I can produce a very loud burp. I can feel one, but I'm gonna hold it. If I can. It's very hard to hold burps. Oh, this is very... I don't want to do it. I'm gonna have to release it, guys. What? I love when it just burps and then now it's just me doing that. When I burp and then I start going it's so goofy. Let's see if I have another one. No, I don't. This is gonna make me burp loud. The cherry gives me too much hype. That's a big swallow. Oh no. I feel another one. Come on, please. Let me drink it without burping. Come on. I almost just choked. Guys, I'm good. I told you. It's too strong. See, look! It's stronger than the Zero. What my eye? What's happening to me today? I have to poop so bad right now. It's gonna be like Hiroshima in that bathroom. It's so hot in this room. I just felt goosebumps and I just absolutely... That's the noise of my ancestors, by the way. Uh-oh. Oh. I literally can't burp. I just keep burping. I can't stop. What was that? What was that move? Oh man, I have to poo so bad. What the hell? Oh, I can't feel much burping coming in. But I know it's building up. It's gonna be a big, massive one after I finish. Not doubting my body system. It's gonna like, as soon as I finish this, it's gonna be Hiroshima burp. I can't even imagine that one. Wow. I can only imagine the Hiroshima burp. It's not coming because it's building up. And then it's building up. I'm gonna have Hiroshima here and down there. Because I had to poo bad. I like I'm not even using a chair, I'm just using my legs as balance. Oh, I feel a burp. Why? Stop burping. Damn. It's good, alright? Like, it's okay. Damn. What? See, I told you, bro. This is literally my burp machine. If you wanna make a class laugh, drink that. That's gonna make you burp. Oh god, the Hiroshima bomb that wants to leave right now is getting worse. My poo is gonna be like literally explosive. This is a good drink though, I can't lie. From all that burping, I can't even tell. Let's speak. I always burp at like 30 seconds into a minute. It's just weird. See what I mean? I just burped. Very slightly. There's barely anything left. That's just... Ugh. 2 bottles. What was that? I really wished I actually drank the whole thing in one go and then just did this. I would have loved that. But of course one day I'll do that. On live stream I have like 3 bottles of Dr. Pepper and I was just like go, and eventually I was like that. So anyways, I'm gonna go release Hiroshima in my bathroom. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.